to beat them again. It's the best team in London, no, the best team of all. Everybody knows us, we're called Millwall. Let them come, let them come, let them come. Let them all come down to the dance.
Hi guys, Bill Trooping. Today we're going to Luton away, a stadium I've never been to before, so it's going to be interesting. I'm interested to see how the atmosphere is as well. Yeah, but anyway, come on, you Lions. I arrived at the stadium and it's a terrible stadium, I have to admit. It's really, really small, two literally non-league stands, one half kind of big stand. Yeah, it was a nightmare getting here as well, but we're finally here. Team news is in. The thing that everyone can be screaming for is Matt's and Tom Bradshaw up front together. Len's starting, but Malumbi is playing with him in a 4-4-2 position.
Let them all come down to them. Let it come, let it come, let it come. We're only after Baker and Memphis. No one likes us, no one likes us, no one likes us. We don't care, we are Millwall.
8 minutes gone, not much has happened so far. This atmosphere is electric. Quick update, they're all over us at the moment, we need to watch out. Coming quite a negative environment right now, people are booing Harris. Wow. Last time at Luton.
You're getting booed, you're legacy, Harris, you Harris out, Harris out, Harris out, Harris out.
This is interesting here. Luton 0, Mill 0. People are wanting Harris out. Bill Cowsey just pulled off an amazing save there from I don't know who, but it was an overhead kick and Bill Cowsey just tipped it over. Very, very good save. Yes! Oh my God! I just got thrown down to 2 seats just then. Come on! Luton 0, Millwall 1. From the dead. No one likes us. Come on! Oh my God, that just went ballistic. You just fell over, it went ballistic. Jesus Christ. 75th minute here, it's still 1-0. Luton are putting on the pressure, but can't find the goal yet. Come on, the Lions, come on, the Lions. Luton 1-1, absolutely gutted. On time, Luton 1, Millwall 1. I'm the short, honestly short. Should have got the 3 points there, man. Should have got the 3 points. Move on next game to Leeds.